Daniel, back at it again with the
McLeod clutch and pressure plate assembly.
What the fuck?
I feel like we've done this before.
I get a sense of deja vu.
Me too. Me too. You guys have heard of Lightning McQueen, maybe even Lightning McBean. We got Lightning McLeod. Seriously, though, there's one right here by you. Like I'm not joking. I just tripped over it. That's the reason I know it's there.
No, that's not the transmission jack.
Oh, I don't know where the floor transmission jack is.
Hey,
Unless you blow the bitch up, then you can take it apart and go, oh yeah, I have a McLeod.
why is it made so fucking much fun?
Good Well, I got a quick little mod we can do to it right now.
Where's that?
In Tanner.
I don't know who told these people that that's 3 inches, but it looks like 8 to me. Thanks for watching. Much like shift knobs and other TikTok car mods, you know what I mean? Like this shit, it's fucking happening. Now I understand that this is more labor intensive. You may have to break out a pair of pliers.
To this little carbon fiber fucker. Because, you know, I'm more familiar with 3 inches.
Hey, You'll have that on these moderately acceptable. Some say it's average jobs.
So we ain't got
Because
shit.
you can deflate this, stick it in the bottle, and go. Holy
here.
fuck! It's fucking tight. Oh
fucking
shit!
dope.
There it is, right there. That's where it came from.
Yeah, buddy.
That's the band that's wrapped around it.
I will name him Bernard de Sanders.
Cut my knife up and fuck it up even further.
Yeah, it looked like a snake. It's the baby snake.
Replace this and all of this here and these here and this.
Points to whole.
Hey, have you looked up the history of this car? Yeah, wipe that off there for me. This car's got 373s. No wonder it felt.
Shit.
Yeah.
No wonder it felt a little. Remember when I was like, "Oh, it's kind of responsive." That's a little odd.
373's
factory
from the
373 car.
factory.
Oh, it's a Brembo car.
It's a Brembo car,
stupid. Yeah, that
no
makes sense.
fucking shit. Yeah, we're dumb.
Yeah. Yep. Still
fucking
factory
dumb.
as fuck. All right.
Oh look, there's my Flow Masters.
Catalytic converter still.
Yeah, it's getting off-road X pipes. We're getting rid of that shit.
Because it's only going to be raced on the street. I mean, on the track.
Sure. Yeah, the front tires look good. They look healthy. And on the back get roasted.
Dude, is this car from up north?
It might be.
From yonder
We're
way.
always welcome to, you know, get under here and sandblast or something.
Yeah, you are.
Clean her up and repaint it.
Huh.
A little oxidation and shit.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Scary bolts. There's 4 of them.
I'm taking your speed sensor. Cool.
No,
Thought you'd be cool with that.
Yeah,
All right, thanks.
Decide what the fuck they wanted to use. Okay, I don't see a 15 deep weld.
What are you doing? That's how you get pregnant. Pegernard. Huh?
Internet?
Swows. A work of art.
I'm surprised this bitch wasn't throwing sparks going down the road with all the metal on the fucking wheels.
Oh, I mean, it probably was. We just couldn't see it because it was moist.
No pressure or hardly any.
What a spike down there.
Fired, but
Viva Cuervo! It's Cinco de Mayo.
it is Cinco de Mayo.
It's Cinco de Mayo.
Is it for real?
It is.
Yes.
Dare you, Lamar! The big rubber.
All right, so we got a set of small rubber band tires, otherwise known as baloney skins, because they're not wide.
Why does everyone say 265 isn't wide?
Dude, I'm just fucking with you, bro. I used to have 255s on my car all the way around. So when I was autocrossing it.
Yes, apparently if it don't have a 3 in front of it, it's little. 265, 4019.
What is this tire anyway?
They are Atlas something or other. I don't know. They were dirt cheap.
What the fuck? What's that? Wait, I didn't realize when you get bronze wheels.
What's up? What? Huh?
Motherfucker, those wheels are like $800.
I won't hear that shit. My shit costs like.
And the tires,
$2
the
grand.
tires I want are another $800 on top of that.
800, heck, mine costs like 13. Guy got them 26s on deck.
Man, I got them things on me.
Hell no, I ain't doing that shit.
Man, damn old 45 ACP brand, the stopping power over here. Watch so much anime, he can cut this shit without moving his knife.
Please edit. Hey, get this
What's that
man-
shit where they fucking just sort of pull the blade out and then it just cuts the top off?
It falls in half, but you accidentally cut one of your lug
We
nuts.
gonna edit a fucking colorful wig and some mascara and shit on him. While he's doing the
Ooh, ooh.
Please.
What does a perverted frog say?
I don't think this YouTube friendly.
Rub it.
Boop, doop, 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 boop.
Oh, I guess twisted off in there anyway.
It's a fucking bitch to get the stupid thing to slack up. Stop, don't pull on it.
Hey, open that crab shell, baby. Yeah, but there ain't no fucking clutch.
There's no
material
clutch left.
That's what was grabbing.
You okay?
On the things that are fucked.
This is
That's
one of
it.
them. This is the big
You don't have to have clutch material, but it helps.
But the flywheel's good.
Yeah.
Except for that dowel busting off. That's a bitch.
Yeah, that sucks dick. It's like the clutch is still here, haunting us. Pieces of clutch material.
Previous owner fucking roasted this thing.
Oh yeah. Crunchitize me, Captain.
Really?
Look at that surface finish. It is so clean.
We're really good at
Thank
polishing
you.
shafts around
Thank
here.
you, Harbor Freight. You are my friend.
What the fuck?
Thank you for sponsoring this video, Harbor Freight. I said I would never do this again underneath a car without dropping the K member. But here I am, again, dropping the transmission without dropping the K member. Is that a clutch disc?
Yes, that is a clutch and pressure plate. Newly installed.
California cancer.
Now we get to fucking fight. Well, mounting it back up where it's supposed to anyway. There is no pedal.
No, it won't be for a little bit.
Okay, we're in neutral. You ready?
Yeah. Yeah, it's full of a lot, so.
I'm just gonna keep pumping until I fucking feel like it's done.
I'm just gonna keep pumping until I'm dumping. You know what I mean, dude? Safety starts with me.
Pump up the jam. Pump it up.
Pump it up. Ba-na-na-na-na-na.
How's that pedal feel though compared to the Hemi?
Huh?
How's that pedal feel compared to the Hemi?
A whole lot less travel than my fucking shit. I'm like all the way up here. And
Pressure-wise, though.
Pressure-wise, it's almost about the same, probably a tad bit heavier, I think.
With sport clutch, it should be a little heavier. Even though their sport clutch on these Mustangs is only rated for like 400.
Yeah, that's kind of like. I think you have to go up to like a twin disc deal to get like decent power.
to get like 800.
Yeah. So it may not be Weeb Wednesday, but he's got a 5-star Dragon Ball for his 5-speed auto or 5-speed manual transmission, and you can't tell it. Those are koi fish.
I like
Pretty
it.
sure that when he bought it, it came with a lifetime supply of sushi access.
Oh, I also made sure that all the accent colors match. So all the accent colors and ambient lighting in the car's red,
Red
and all the
and
gauges are orange. I don't know if so. There was something wrong whenever it was welding and there was just giant globs of shit hitting
Yeah, it just kept coming off. And then I was like, Oh, I'll turn the welder up. Anyways, while we're trying to weld to that, which by the way, the weld did not like to hold. Lamar got something done. He got him grill painted black again because he had some rock chips in it. He's using the Rust-Oleum kind of like vinyl wrap in a can stuff. It's pretty neat. It's pretty neat. I gotta say, I'm impressed. I'm impressed.
Pretty quick.
Hey, roll that beautiful bean footage. Let me see that. What is that?
Sponsor me.
Bam. Rust-Oleum. Yeah, bro, if they sponsor you, you had better help me get some shit to paint that truck over there with.
What are you gonna do? Spray with Rust-Oleum everywhere or something?
Oh yeah, dude. Let me get that roll-on Rust-Oleum.
Sounds like a bad idea.
Hit that tractor paint.
Old Rhino line the whole thing.
For the record, anybody wanting to change their car, do not do plastic dip and shit. Don't do it. Just don't do it. You're gonna regret it.
This is a PSA.
Yeah, it's honestly better to just invest in vinyl wrap.
Yeah, wrapper paint, specifically paint.
Yeah, wrapper paint.
Oh, designer? Oh, no, he's gone too.
That's been a long time.
He going to jail for indecent exposure.
Indecent disposure.
Disposure. Yeah, he disposed of a body incorrectly.
Indecent
So we got his ass. Got him.
Editor.
Headers.
Bleep
You gonna
that
put
out.
some headers on your car?
No, editor.
Edelbrock don't make headers no more, bro. Remember, we didn't tighten the battery cable down. Hey.
Oh, you have lower car now. You gotta be gentle.
How's it feel?
Feels fucking amazing.
Drive around